Oh yeah, start recording.
All right. You guys can start anytime. I'm going to mute myself.
Miss, later I can move forward to share my screen, right?
Yes, you can.
Okay. So, there is nothing certain but the uncertain. An old proverb that still applies to this very day. Life is full of unexpected events and uncertainties. No one can predict it, no one can avoid it, especially no one can negate it. Let me give you an example. A virus from China, far, far away, changed the world so drastically in 2019 that it changed the way we live, it changed the way we see things, and it changed the way we perceive things. And until now, in 2021, we're still being impacted by the global pandemic that has been going on for 2 years. No one knew then, and no one could have known that all these things would happen. However, with that being said, we should never stop trying to prepare ourselves to face uncertainties in life. One of the ways we can prepare ourselves is with insurance. Insurance, by definition, is an arrangement between an insurance company and an insurance applicant, by which the insurance company will provide compensation upon the occurrence of a specified event for an exchange of payment of premium by the insurance applicant. Today, we're going to specifically talk about why insurance is a great investment for women. And the goal for our speech today is to educate women about the importance of insurance and to encourage more women to be insured. The major issue that prompted us to speak about this topic is that insurance has long been an afterthought for a lot of women in all walks of life. According to a survey conducted by Kaiser Family Foundation in 2020, approximately 10.2 million women from the ages of 19 to 64 in the United States are uninsured. That shows that there is still a great amount of women that don't have insurance, a concerning amount, to say the least. Now, we're going to dive deeper into different types of insurance and see the unique benefits each type provides to help us to prepare to face uncertainties in life. First, Darren Wan will start with life insurance, followed by Tan Yan, who will speak more on health insurance, and finished off by Ryan Fernandez, who will elaborate about retirement insurance. And I, Jonathan Lee, will end the speech with a conclusion. Now let's welcome Darren Wan.
Thank you, Jonathan. Hi, everyone. Today, I would like to talk about the importance of life insurance to women. First, let me introduce the life insurance. The life insurance can be separated into the two types of life insurance. The first type is the whole life insurance, and the second type is the endowment insurance. The whole life insurance means the period is until we die. And the endowment insurance means that the period is have a certain period, like 10 years or 20 years and more. Life insurance is a great way to plan and prepare for future unexpected events, especially for women, whether it is a long-time life milestone or a provision for their children. It is an excellent approach for them to achieve the objective of having a better quality of life. In the instant, endowment insurance is a great way to save for them for this goal and gain financial independence, even if you not are a high income members of your household. Thus, obtaining life insurance is so vital for women because it may assist them in achieving financial independence. For example, a healthy 30 years old woman with an employer's sponsor plan may not be able to afford retirement, but she can option to take out a conventional life policy to ensure income in the event of a death. This is uncommon for women to make career change after having children or getting married. So this can also be a money saver for them. As a result, it is crucial for a career woman to maintain her household that doubles the income after her retirement, and her partners or even to chance to be a half life of having kids or getting married. By having life insurance, you can ensure that you will continue to contribute equally to the well-being of your and your family in the future. Furthermore, the life insurance is more cost-effective for women because according to the U.S. Because according to the U.S. Census Bureau, women tend to live longer than men. Therefore, all other factors being equal, insurance companies charge lower insurance premium for women than men to be lower risk borne by company. Insurance will help secure children's education and well-being of well-being if a mother suddenly pass away. On the other hand, if you still have outstanding debts when you pass away, you definitely don't hope to pass the debt to your children and your family. Then this insurance can help to reduce the debt to the debt to your children and your family when you pass away. Therefore, having life insurance it is provide financial relief or a safety net which would really reduce the financial burden on your family when you die. In a nutshell, life insurance is very important investment for women to have an protection for women to have a financial independent, financial relief in the event of her death. That's all for me. Now I will pass to my group mate Pei Yuan.
Hello everyone, I'm Pei Yuan, and today I'm going to share about what is health insurance and its benefits. Nowadays, chronic disease become more and more popular among everyone due to the rapid changes of daily life or like life quality or the surroundings. A group of scientists from Spain has done a research and about what is the change, what is the rate for developing a chronic disease between different genders. And surprisingly, it shows that women have higher chance to get chronic disease compared to men. And what is the reason? This is because women, they always working for multiple tasks of work and they ignore their health conditions. When they realize that something is wrong with their body, the illness have become serious. So this result shows that health insurance is really important, especially for women. Due to the chance like increasing day by days of the developing chronic disease, we can say that health insurance is really important in every families. So, health insurance is really important in every families. By referring first, health insurance does cover like medical expenses or treatments in chronic disease. So like a lot of families, they can't afford for the fees. Therefore, we can see a lot of insurance companies suggesting their female customer to like invest in their health insurance package so they can have a financial support to overcome or to pass by the hurdle of the medical expenses that they can't afford. So next, health insurance also like provide an allowance for losing income while you are having a sick or illness. When we are sick, most probably we will like went for request for a medical leave from our company. So by that moment, we will lose our income. And like most probably women for single income women, like are single mother or divorced woman, they can't afford like the living fees or living costs. So they need that fees, like that allowance to they need that allowance to overcome that hard time. And the savings like will be the minor or the savings will be the major financial help for them to prevent like any accidents happens during that period. So thirdly, when we are cured from disease or injury, we need to pay for the rehabilitation fees provided by the hospital so that we can return to work as fast as possible. It requires a huge amount for the expenses, but luckily most of the health insurance that does cover the fees in their services. And lastly, when women are pregnant, there's a risk of having complication in that period. Insurance company, they will design a special features for women, which is they will pay for that type of fees like treatment expenses or medical expenses during that period. So like women, so that the treatment fees won't be the burden from them. So overall, there's a lot of benefits that come with the health insurance, especially for women. Therefore, we could recommend women who can afford the health insurance to invest in one. And that's my part. So next, Ryan will share about his ideas.
Thank you, Pei Yuan. The only person to take care of the older woman you will become is the young woman you are today, says Barbara Pietrangelo, a certified financial planner and life insurance specialist with Prudential. My name is Ryan Fernandez, and today I would like to talk to you a little about the importance of having insurance in coverage of retirement and pension plans. Aging is an unavoidable process that everyone goes through. As we age, our lives gradually change from being a child into a student and into a working adult. These are all phases of life, and eventually retirement becomes an issue that we must address. Retirement can be a difficult time if you are financially unprepared and do not know the importance of these crucial years from a young age. Retirement and pension plans allow you to secure financial independence during retirement, to unwind and realize your long-held ambitions and dreams. It is a retirement fund that ensures you have an income source during retirement. It is important to understand that by investing in a life insurance retirement plan, women are provided with a disciplined, affordable, and also a secure way to plan their retirement. Retirement plans gives the flexibility to save while earning a corpus of funds for her retirement. Along with retirement fundings, a woman is also able to get protection for her family as well. So the ultimate question that a woman should ask herself is, what are the benefits of saving years and years for retirement and pension plans? First of all, the plan allows flexibility premium payment terms. This is the total number of years for the policyholder to pay the premium. With retirement and pension plans, you can select your premium payment term depending on your financial goal. Second, policyholders are also guaranteed vesting benefits. It is important to recognize yourself with the term vesting age. It is whereby the age where a pension plan participant begins to receive a monthly pension. Retirement plans allows you to get a stable and guaranteed income during this time for you to plan your own retirement. Thirdly, death benefits are also included. In an unforeseen circumstance of passing, financial security is granted to your family and your loved ones in your absence. A nominee will inherit the sum assured of death in case you did not make it. Lastly, retirement and pension plans comes with tax benefits as well. In Malaysia, because the retirement plan is considered a unit trust scheme, any gains made by this plan are considered capital gains, and this is not subjected to individual income tax. Therefore, these gains are not taxable. PRS funds are also allowed to claim personal tax relief up to RM3,000 by the Inland Revenue Board of Malaysia. This tax incentive is available until the assessment year of 2025. Therefore, I urge women to start now and plan your retirement. Invest in retirement and pension plans for yourself and ensure you have the best care and stability in these coming years. I quote once again from Barbara Pietrangelo, "You can be young with money, but not old without money." Thank you. Now let me once again welcome Jonathan Lee to conclude our presentation today.
Thank you, Ryan. Now, to sum everything up, we as a group truly believe that insurance is an investment worth bearing for women, whether it is an independent woman, a single mom, or a mother in a two-parent household. having insurance provide a lot of benefits that would help us to face the uncertainties we will face in our lives and in the lives of our families. We can choose which type of insurance fits our condition better and suits our situation better, whether it is a health insurance, a life insurance, or a retirement insurance. And we can make necessary adjustments to the insurance plan with the insurance company to make sure that unwanted and unforeseen events in our future are well prepared and covered for. Therefore, we encourage everyone, especially women, to not overlook the importance of having insurance and to invest on an insurance, as this investment is not only for us, but also the people around us and the people we love. I'm going to end with an old proverb. We should hope for the best, but always prepare for the worst. On behalf of Ryan, Kayan, and Darren, I would like to say thank you for your time and wish you a very good day. Thank you.
Okay, that was quite good. One thing is, I noticed